In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Activity tab for a project in HoneyBook, Activity Feed 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. When you arrive, sign into your account using your usual credentials. And if you're asked for any security verification, go ahead and complete that so you can continue safely. Once you're in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard, which is the control center for everything you manage. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll move between core areas like your projects, scheduling, and tools. For what we're doing today, we'll be working from the Projects area because the Activity tab lives inside a specific project. Click Projects to open your full list. Here, you'll see all of your projects in one place. Depending on how you organize your account, you might see active jobs, leads, or archived work. Take a moment to find the project you want to review. If you manage a lot of projects, scanning by client name, project title, or recent activity can help you spot the right one quickly. Once you've located the project you want to use, click to open it. Inside the project workspace, look for the Activity section and select it. This is your project's running activity feed, a chronological log of what's happened and when. You'll see timestamped entries that can include messages exchanged, files or proposals sent, invoices issued, payments received, and other updates tied to this project. Think of it as the project's audit trail, letting you confirm who did what and at what time. Use the feed to spot check progress and resolve questions fast. For example, if you're wondering whether a contract was sent or a payment came through, the Activity tab gives you a quick answer without clicking around elsewhere. If you work with teammates, it's a great way to keep everyone aligned, since the history shows a shared view of the latest actions. A couple of quick tips as you review. Glance at the most recent entries at the top to get an instant status update, and scan the timestamps to understand the sequence of events. If something looks out of place, make sure you're inside the correct project and refresh the page to pull the newest information. And that's it. By navigating to your dashboard, opening projects, choosing the right project, and selecting activity, you'll always have a clear timeline of everything that matters in one convenient spot.